Alright, it is ready to epoxy and glue this sucker down. Finally got it straight, everything ground down, got the bottom filled. Got a little bit of cleanup to do around here real quick, just to make it easier while it's off. But let's get things cleaned up, prepped, and get this thing glued down, huh? Alright, what I'm using to glue this down is, it's called Thixo. Saw the guys on Parlay use it, and said it works really, really well as far as an adhesive epoxy and filler. So I'm going to give this a shot. And I got 2 tubes of it. Hopefully it's enough, because I still need to fill a little bit of this as it sets down. Kind of ooze some out. But it comes with a mixer, so you just put it in the tube and lay it down. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, there's a lot of stuff to drill through. So, hopefully, it's alright. That should help all that crap inside dry some more. It looks like I didn't do too bad of filling it. A couple little air gaps. But I'll put a coat of that polyester resin around these holes. Once I clean that up, obviously, that's a little rough. All right. See if she fits. Alright, so now that I got all this sanded down and all the texture, you know, that grip, all grip off of there, this plug that I made that's still exposed, there's cracks in the gel coat underneath the epoxy that I put in, or the resin. So what I'm going to do is grind out this whole area and grind the top of this off and put a piece of glass down, you know, a wet mat, and actual glass on top of that end, or just make it stronger and make sure these cracks aren't going to cause any problems on the new gel coat. this out and grind down into the glass a little bit, take all the gel off the side of this, and I'm going to lay a strip of glass all the way around and tab it in just to give it some extra strength. What I'm also going to do is put a thin bead, because the glass can't bend 90 degrees even once it's wet. So I'm going to put a thin bead of that polyester here to round off that corner so I can put a strip of glass all the way around here.